toughest one. Okay, let's start. Following figure is a regular pentagon. This is a regular pentagon. Regular means what? All sides are equal. Area is 45 by 2. Area is 45 by 2. This is the total area. And these coordinates are already given. See, this figure would be given to you in exam. Find T. You have to find this T. Okay. So, what is the area of pentagon? ABCDE. Area of triangle EAB plus area of triangle EBC plus area of triangle EDC. Right? These three areas, if you add it, you will get it pentagon. So, let's find out each one. EAB equals to 1 upon 2 into, see this formula. We have done it in video number 52, 53, 54. Okay, follow that. X1 into, see this is X1, then minus 3. This is X2 and this is, this is X2 and this is X3. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All X2, Y2, X3, Y3. And this is X1, Y1. So let's start. 1 upon 2 into x1 into, remember this now, x1 into y2 minus y3, where there is x, there is no x inside, and follow the sequence 1, 2, 3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 2, 3, 1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now solve this. So it becomes, it comes out over here. So 1 upon 2 into minus 4 plus 5 plus t, minus t minus 2t plus 6 for EAB. So you get 1 upon 2 into 7 minus 3t. EAB you got it. So this is EAB. Similarly EBC, same formula. X1 into, now you use what is X1, what is X2 and what is X3. See this 2t, 1, 1, then 5 over here. So 2, 2 and 3, 3. Okay. So x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Solve this. You will get 1 upon 2 into 29 minus t. Okay. This is for EBC. Now EDC. See this EDC. Again the same logic. 1. Now 2 is what? 2 over here and this is 3. Means x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So use this formula 1 upon 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Solve this. 1 upon 2 into 2 plus 6 plus 3t. Solve this. You try it yourself because it's easy. That's why I'm not wasting our time. So 1 upon 2 into, add this 8 plus 3t upon 2. So now you got EDC also. Now you got the areas of all these three triangles in terms of t. So add them. So area of pentagon ABCDE equals to EAC, the 7 minus 3t, plus EBC 29 minus t, plus EDC 8 plus 3t upon 2. See this upon 2 over here. All have upon 2. So take upon 2 common. So it is, but we know ABCDE area 45 by 2. So 2 goes. So 45 equals to 44 minus t. So 45 equals to 44 minus t. So t becomes 44 minus 45 minus 1. So coordinate on this t is minus 1. Okay. If A22, B44 and C26 are vertices of a triangle ABC and DEF are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively, then find the area of triangle ABC, DEF and ratio of the area of DEF to ABC. Once you find out 1 and 2, third is easy. Okay. So how to find out? See this. It's given. The points are given. D, E, F. D is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC, and you know the coordinates of A, B and C. So what have we to find out? Areas. Okay. What is the formula for areas in terms of coordinates? 1 upon 2 into, just now we saw it, x2 into y2 minus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Right? Solve this for ABC now. Just find out the area of ABC. So area of ABC you get it over here by solving minus 4